What if I say you can turn this curl into this, okay, without any straightener or hair curler or any heat products, especially when you're hurried to your office or any functions or any event. This is how I found out, and it has become very useful for me. I hope this will help you. Please do comment if you see it's very useful. The shampoo I use is a Wishcare anti-hair fall shampoo, and the conditioner is Pilgrim. If you have a curly hair or frizzy, please do use conditioner after every shampoo, okay? After hair wash, just gently squeeze water through a towel, okay? Don't rub it too much. There are chances of breakout of your hair, so if you squeeze it hard. Partition your hair into two sides and just spread it with your fingers, okay? That's it. Don't squeeze, don't rub, don't do anything. Okay, let's start with this ash bar, that is a Volumizer, and this one is a hair conditioner from ash bar. Okay, you will find it in any of online shopping, and this one is a Rosemary water. Okay, so these are the products that I use. Okay, hope this will help you guys. So let's start with this direction. So this is a leave-in conditioner that you need to use 1 or 2 pumps based on your hair volume. So I just use 2 pump a little bit. Okay, so just apply this to your hair, not from the root, from your from top to bottom. Okay, so just apply it thoroughly, don't leave it anywhere. Okay, just apply it, keep applying on both the side. So use it extra if you want. So because I apply it very thoroughly without any miss of any of my hair. After a leave-in conditioner, I'll use this ash bar Volumizer. So you just have to take 1 or 2 pump again based on your hair volume. So since I have very less volume, so I use 1 pump. Okay, this is the quantity, you can say it. So just spread it over on the palm and apply it from upward to downward. Yeah, and both the side that you have to follow. Okay, this is other side that you have to use. 1 pump is enough for my hair. So just apply it from top to bottom. Yeah, it is little sticky, but it's really good. Okay, after it gets dry, so you won't feel that stickiness. Spread your hair and keep applying. Use the quantity according to that. So if you use too much, so you will feel the stickiness even after dry. Okay, use it a little bit or as much as you need. Okay, and don't apply on the scalp. Okay, if you apply on the scalp, so you will feel that the oiliness. So that's the reason I don't apply anything apart from the conditioner on the scalp. Okay. Yeah, and the last part is the rosemary water. So I just apply on my the hair edge. So you just spray it 1 or 2 times. Okay, that's it. And this way again 1 or 2 pumps. Okay, apply it evenly, and do not spray it on your scalp again. So the products that I'm using, if I apply on my scalp or to the root, so it will leave the oiliness. So that's the reason I don't apply any of these products on my scalp. So here is the best part, that I use hair therapy comb. Okay, this has a vibration, okay, and also LED light. So this does not produce any kind of heat. Okay, this is kind of comb that I use after my hair wash. So after these products, okay, this is one of my the plus point after using this one. This helps in stimulating your hair follicles and help with blood circulation as well. Yeah, this is the hair dryer. So guys, I told you in the beginning that I don't use a hair dryer, but this has very cool air. Okay, it doesn't contain any kind of heat. Okay, it's kind of a fan air, okay, that you get it. So either I use a fan or I use this hair dryer with cool air. And this is the best part that I have. This is kind of magical testing for me. See, just partition your hair and tie it with any clip. Okay, little tighten it. Okay, that's it. So now wait for 5 minutes and you have to do other way around again. So you can already see this waviness one side. Okay, that's it, and the same way you have to do it and tie it once again. Okay, and leave it for 5 minutes. Okay, now you can see the waviness. Okay, already. Okay, but what I do, so I'll just again take it above and leave it for again 2 to 3 minutes. You can leave it as long as you want. The longer you time, the better result you get it. What I will do, I will just leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, and I'll do my own work meanwhile, and you see the result. Okay, so I'm going to office already, and yeah, this is how it looks. I can again tie it. Okay, so if I want. So this is the result, the final result that I got when I reached office. I hope you find this very useful, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.